The story began when Ariel fell head over fins in love. It began when King Triton asked Sebastian to keep an eye on Ariel. It began when King Triton got home mad and Ursula took Ariel's boy and... Whoa, this story's getting away from me. I was slow down and I had myself. This is all right. That's maybe the best. Ariel might have left him for a better love.
We got so much down here. There's no reason to go up there. Don't you understand, Ariel? This is where you belong. You may think the waters are under the sea. Under the sea. Since life is with you, we got to be here naturally. Even the sturgeon and the rain. They get the rain to start to play. We got to steer it, you got to hear it under the sea. You play the flute, the harp, play the harp, the bass, play the bass, and the sound, the chant, the bass, play the bass, the chop, play the top. The flute is the duke of soul. Okay, you can play the leaves on the string, the drum, rocking out the blackfish, the snake, the snare, and the stripe. They know where it's at, I know that flow is fun. Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day, out in the sun they slave away. While we devoting full time to floating under the sea. Down here all the fish is happy, as off through the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy, but the sad goes the empty pool. The fish in the pool is lucky, they were something. One day when they must get hungry, under the sea.
Yes, Ursula will help her. Poor Ariel. She swam this way. So fine,
Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come flooding to my pulverized bells as please, and I help them. Yes, I do. Papuga, Sabruga, the winds of the Caspian Sea. That brings us glossitis, next laryngitis, la voce to me. I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me, well, a witch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways, repented, seen the light and made a switch. Yes. Poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to get the girl, and do I help her? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come forward to my pulverized bells as ladies, and I
across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why she dying to try and wanna kiss the girl.
That's the way I remember it, eh? Yeah. So where was I? Oh, right. And they all...
It was so good to see you. We hope you had a wonderful time. Step out to your left now. There you are. Hope you had a wonderful time.